Hi, this is Nick. It's June 17. It's 10:30 p.m. in the Netherlands, Central European time. We're looking at the market, the 9 or better 8 most traded cryptocurrencies, as well as Firstcoin. We see Bitcoin just about the same as it was yesterday, not much of a change. We see a market cap of 111 billion. And this is what happened today. Some movement between 6,050, 6,500 and a lowest point of 6,470. Not much movement at all, just up and down. This is the 1 month chart starting at May 21 at 8,500, and now we are 6,500. As I said before in the other videos, it looks like this is a support level, 6,500, 6,400, 6,500, and it is showing that this support level for the moment is strong enough, and the longer it stays at this level, the stronger this support level will become. And as you can see, it was there in November, and it was there in March, end of March, and now again. So it looks like this support is holding for now at least. And then we see Ethereum just about the same, also not much change. The 7-day chart, then we see a similar thing as with Bitcoin. Not much change, just a little bit up and down. Total market cap 272 billion. Also not much of a change. EOS the same, down 1.3%. And again, not much movement there as well, just a little bit lower compared to the beginning of the day. Bitcoin Cash about the same, Litecoin about the same, Ripple about 1% down, Ethereum Classic 1.73 down. Upward, it's still in a slightly upward movement from June 13. If we look at today, we were a bit higher this morning, 1460, now we're 1437, so not much of a significant change. If we look at the 6-month chart, we are stabilizing at this lower level. 13 is a support level, as we can see. 13, yeah, this is clearly, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 points for this support level. So this is also quite a strong support level for Ethereum Classic. And Kutum is similar as well. Let's look at this 6-month chart, where we see a slightly downward trend, but also here 11 is a strong support level. It looks like that, yeah. 12 and here, so 10, 11 is a very strong support for this currency. So we're looking at a market that is stabilizing and is holding here at its current level, and that is about the same for all these most traded cryptocurrencies. When we look at Firstcoin, there is some interesting movement. We started today at around 5.5 cents, and that was down from 14. And we went down all the way down to 3 cents, and we saw clearly that the volume was going down. But then at 3 cents, it found its support and gradually went up to 5.5. And it seems that was a bit too quick and too much. And so it went down again to 4.2. And now we're going slightly up. If we look at the 7-day chart, then we see Here we were at 1 at 11, June 11, we were at 1 cent. Then we had this announcement of Mr. George putting in 50 Bitcoin and buying everything he could. And then we went up to about 14 cents. That was clearly going way too fast, as I said also then. And we went down to 5 cents. That was a support for then. We went back up to 11, down to 5 again. So 5 seemed to be a bit of a support. We went up to 6, and now we went gradually down to 3. And at 3 cents, somehow the coin found a new support and went back up. But we're missing a bit of the news for now. So it's interesting to see whether this is going to hold and whether the coin is able to resume its upward movement. As you can see, here this top, the volume was about more than $300,000. Now we are just about 1/10 of that, $36,000, and we clearly need some more news. But there's clearly also some optimism in the market as this coin went up from its low of 3 cents back up to a little bit more than 4. So it's very interesting to see what will happen. Also the announcement that he is going to, Mr. George, the owner, is clearly wants to revive the coin, revive the whole project, that all the projects which he announced earlier, like a year ago, are all real projects and are going to make money. They're all ready to be launched or are already happening, like the tree plantations are in business. So it's very interesting to see what will happen. Also, if Jackcoin will be introduced next week, what will the new management do with their hold on Firstcoin, or their management of Firstcoin? Will they let it go, or will they concentrate all the attention on this new coin? Very, very interesting developments. So I'll keep you posted. For now, this is it. Thank you very much.